Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So our case for today is another revision breast augmentation. So we have a 24-year-old female. She already have one child. Then she had breast augmentation 3 years ago. She has 380 cc above the muscle, and she wants it 700 or 800 cc. That's very big. No? So I need to do dissection, a good dissection. By the way, the patient have capsular contracture on the right. So I need to do capsulectomy, remove the capsule. Then her left breast is the nipple areolar complex is overriding, mataas. No? So I have to do the repair on the inframammary fold, remove some of the skin so that the nipple areolar complex will go down a bit para nasa gitna po uli. No? Medyo challenging. This some quite challenging case of revision breast augmentation. Medyo matagal ang surgery na to. No? So, I hope magkasya yung 800 cc. Okay? So, that's it. Another day, another surgery. We still have the Argos for all our Filipino watchers o kahit mga foreigners. Please buy our Filipino watch, Argos or De Guzman and Company. That's it. Oh, hi, I'm done with the revision breast augmentation. So from 380 cc, I replace it with 800 cc. So on the right, I did capsulectomy because of the capsular contracture. Then I dissected superiorly, laterally, and medially. Then I resect some of the skin because the nipple areolar complex is overriding. On the left, I did capsulotomy because there's no capsular contracture. But I also did dissection medially, superiorly, and laterally. And I also removed some of the skin because of the overriding nipple areolar complex. So now it's very soft. The nipple areolar complex is at the right position. So very nice. I will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery.